YouTube is becoming the biggest platform for creators to make and publish content and to earn a lot of revenue. But with the increasing number of creators, there is high competition rising day by day. So it's also difficult to get your video viral. In order to optimize your videos, the main thing that is required is keywords. Now, keywords help you to rank your videos on search result to gain more and more audience. But most of the people don't use the right keyword for their video. Today, we are going to talk about keyword research tools for your YouTube videos that will help you to rank your videos on search results. These tools are very helpful if you are a beginner or advanced YouTube creator. And what's the amazing thing is that these tools are completely free to use.
So the first tool that we have is the Rapidtags.io. This is the Rapidtags and Rapidtags.io. What you can do, you can use it for free. It's completely free tool and it will generate a relevant text related to your YouTube video. That it says that enter your next YouTube video title. So if I write like YouTube automation and if I press the enter, so it gives me some relevant tags related to this YouTube automation tutorial for beginners, YouTube automation channels, YouTube automation niches, YouTube automation methods. So these all tags are generated by this. So these all are related to the title that you have given to this. Instead of this, if I give this a title Python programming, so it will give me a relevant tags to the Python programming. So these tags are relevant and will be helpful for you to optimize your YouTube video. So the second tool that we have is vidIQ. So the vidIQ is a tool that is used to optimize your YouTube channel, and we have just like you just have to sign up with a Google account or enter your email. You can just sign up free. It's a free, but it has also a pro version. You can also check their pricing, and there it is, the basic as a daily 3 ideas, competitive tracking 3, and there is a system that you can check here. So let me just take you to the dashboard. So once you are signed up to the vidIQ, then it will redirected you to the dashboard, and here are some of the features that it gives you in a free version. I have opened this free version. Here it is, the daily ideas. It will give you a 3 daily ideas and you can save them and you can just check them daily. Here's the very useful feature that vidIQ offers is the keyword. So the keyword that we have is you can just check any kind of keyword. Like if I check the YouTube automation, then it just showing me this graph that it says a search volume and the competition relevant to that. As you can see that it is showing the 79%. So you can see it's just showing the overall score and it's showing that it's a high score. And that means that there are higher chances of your video. If you make a video on this topic, there would be a high chance that your video will get optimized and be present on the search results. Along with this, you will get related keywords like these keywords, and you will also see these things. These are the numbers, these are the overall high score, and they are very good. So you can use this. There are related more terms that you can use all these things in your keywords, or you can also make more videos on these topics. Along with that, you will get more videos that is shown here. So this is a very useful tool that you can use. Also this, you can have a new feature that is the AI coach, and this is similar to the chat GPT, and as it says that it has a limited knowledge after 2021, but it's still a very useful. You can just make this, fix this title and YouTube keyword research. So it will fix this title, and here is the improved title. So yeah, you can also tell him if you don't like this, you can tell him that like. So it's similar to the chat GPT, but they have just integrated that chatbot into their own website. So this is the very useful tool to optimize the YouTube channel.
So these two tools are very helpful in keyword research for your YouTube videos. But regardless of which tool you use, here are some tips to make the most of your keyword research. First thing first, focus on long tail keywords which are more specific and less competitive. Second thing, consider your target audience and the language they use when searching for the content. Third thing is keep an eye on trends and popular topics in your niche to stay relevant. And number four, regularly review and update your keywords to ensure they are still effective. By following these tips and using the right keyword research tool, you will be well on your way to optimizing your videos and growing your YouTube channel. Remember, effective keyword research is just one part of a successful YouTube strategy, so keep learning and experimenting to find what works best for your channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.